Hello again from InfoAg Conference in St. Louis in the John Deere booth. With me is Chip. Could you introduce yourself for me, Chip?
Yeah, I'm Chip Donahue, manager of business segment strategy for the Intelligence Solutions Group.
Well, you and Randy with John Deere also did a presentation yesterday to the group to talk a little bit about how John Deere works for you, especially for the retailers here. So tell me a little bit about what your message was to them.
Yeah, so we have a great presence with farmers, but we also have a great product portfolio for ag retailers. They're the ones that really serve the customer at the local level. That we have a portfolio of application equipment, from everything from toolbars to high capacity nutrient applicators to high clearance sprayers, and that's for custom applicators. We do that, but also we have a lot of other tools that help tie the retailer to his customers. And what we're trying to accomplish with that is to improve the workflow, reduce the cost of delivery for the custom application and the retailers to their customers, as well as allow them to add value at the point of value and let them create the value using our tools and services.
Yeah. And so what kind of reaction are you getting from people that you talk to here at this conference?
We have a lot of great comments, right? I mean, one of our focuses is to enable with an open platform for the retailer to use the software of choice. So a lot of retailers built their own software, right? We have Echelon, and we have AgVerdict, and we have FSAIS, and we have other tools that farmers or retailers are using, and we are able to take the farmer data through a sharing relationship and push it into their system, but also allow them to push prescriptions back to the farmer and do it very seamlessly and quickly, so that there's a lot of value created by the retailer in his relationship with his customer, and it all works. So that's what our goal is.
All right, great. Well, let's bring Randy over here and let him elaborate more on this. Randy, introduce yourself for us, please.
Thanks, Cindy. Yeah, my name is Randy Kasperbauer, and I'm a product manager with John Deere on our API platform. I work with software companies primarily on how to leverage the agronomic data that farmers are using that they want to put to use in other software applications. And so I work with those software companies and agribusinesses and industry partners to access that data, and help farmers make use of it.
All right, so you must be pretty busy at this conference and talking to a lot of people.
Yeah, InfoAg is one of the best conferences for us in this space every year. It really brings together all the players in software and building solutions using some digital products, which is right up our alley for working with these type of companies.
And I noticed that a lot of the companies that are here also take part in the John Deere Developers Conference, right?
Yeah, that's right. So every year for the last maybe 4 years, we've had a Developers Conference, which really highlights our API platform and its ability to provide access points to securely leverage the data that farmers are collecting into these software applications. Granted, we talk about it and work with companies on them all year, but every year we have the developers come in. We work together as a community to grow and promote these solutions, not only to other agribusinesses, but also within John Deere and our John Deere dealers.
Do you have any idea at this point how many companies are integrated with the John Deere Operations Center?
Yeah, so with just the commercial software companies, we have over 80 companies that have commercial products available. And there's upwards of a few hundred that are still exploring, looking at, and evaluating the platform to, for when the timing is right to meet their solutions needs.
All right, excellent. Well, thank you, Randy. And once again, coming here from the InfoAg Expo in St. Louis at the John Deere exhibit, I'm Cindy Zimmerman.